Hi, I'm Ramgopal from artiramgopal.com. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I overcame the fear of facing camera. We all know the importance of videos in online course creation and videos as part of our online marketing strategy. If we ever want to be successful course creators, we have to be comfortable in front of the camera. Even I knew all this information when I started out, but then I never had the courage to create a video where I faced the camera. The reason is, a couple of times that I tried this earlier, the results were really poor. In fact, the results were so horrible that I decided never to create any video where I had to face camera. But then I realized the power of this useful tool as my businesses grew. So I decided to conquer this demon. When I sat down and analyzed what the real issues were, I found that I had three main issues when it came to creating talking head videos. The first issue was I didn't really like how I looked on a video. Somehow I felt that the image that I saw on video was not me. The second issue that I faced was I used to experience mind freeze whenever I switched on the camera. It didn't really matter how well my thoughts were organized. The moment I switched on the camera, something got into me and my words just stopped flowing. So I had to overcome this mind freeze. The third issue I had was I was a perfectionist. I never really wanted to put out anything that I felt was less than perfect. So these three big issues were really tying me down from creating videos that I wanted to share with the world. So I decided to overcome these issues with a simple strategy. I decided to break everything down into baby steps. I created three simple exercises that helped me overcome this issue. The first thing I did was to do something to handle the first issue of not being comfortable looking at myself on a video. So the exercise was I would just pull out my camera, which is nothing but a cell phone, which is what I'm using even today to record my videos. I would just take out my cell phone and I would look into the camera, and all I had to say was hi, hello, or I say my name, and then I would hit the stop button, and then the video was over. Now, I did that a number of times. In fact, I did that for a number of days. And I kept watching my videos of myself for just a few seconds, and then I would delete these videos. Now, it might seem like a very simple and almost meaningless exercise, but then the point behind this is very powerful. The more I watched myself on video, I realized that there is a certain way in which I look and there is nothing I can do to change that. So I started accepting my image or accepting myself on a video. The second stage was when I wanted to overcome my mind freeze issue. So the exercise that I gave myself was I would switch on my camera and then I would talk about any topic for 60 seconds. During those days, I was quite comfortable with the topic of law of attraction. I used to read a lot of books around that subject. So I just used to take out my camera, my cell phone rather, hit the recording button, look into the camera lens, and then I would start recording my thoughts on law of attraction. The subject was so interesting that many days I would just continue talking way beyond the 60 seconds. And all these videos I used to store in a folder which only I had access to. I never really had the confidence of showing those videos to anyone else. I kept doing that every day for a number of days. Around the 10th day, I decided to watch my old videos and see if I had made any real progress. When I compared the video that I made on the 10th day with the video that I shot on the first day, I could see a significant difference in the quality. The kind of mistakes that I used to make on my first day were very basic, and I was able to overcome all those issues by the time I came to the 10th day. I didn't really have to watch any videos or learn any new techniques. Just by watching myself over a number of days, I was able to see what worked and what didn't work. Now, this progress gave me the confidence to continue this exercise for the next 20 days. So I went on to the third stage where I decided to talk about my business. So I used to pick up a business topic which I thought would be of value to my audience, and I started talking about it for a couple of minutes. The initial few videos that I shot were not really that good. But then there came a day when what I shared was really useful. I thought it is a good time for me to pick up that video and post it on my YouTube channel. I was quite happy with what I saw, and I decided to continue the exercise, and I started posting more and more videos of me talking in front of the camera. Now, I have done quite a few videos like that, and today I feel reasonably comfortable being in front of the camera and sharing my thoughts. I don't really feel that mind freeze every single time. Of course, I still have a long way to go. The reason why I wanted to share this message with you is I'm sure you are also hesitating to create your first video. You also realize the true power of this powerful tool. So here is my call to you. Follow the 3 steps that help me overcome the fear of facing camera. Step 1. Whenever you have the time, just take out your smartphone, look into the camera, say hi, and then switch off. Watch yourself and then delete the video if you don't like. Do that a number of times. Do that over a number of days. Start getting used to the way you look on camera. Once you cross this stage, then go to the second stage of recording something about any topic that you like for 60 seconds. It can be about what you saw that day morning, or it could be about a movie that you liked, or about a sport that you like, or about a joke that you heard of. The subject doesn't really matter. Just pick out any topic and talk about it for 60 seconds. Once you are comfortable doing this, once you see the difference in the quality of your videos after you recorded every single day for a number of days, when you see your 10th day's video with your first day video and you see a difference, you yourself will feel confident to carry on the exercise for the next few days. Once you're comfortable with the second stage, move to the third stage where you talk about your business. Think about any small topic that you think will add value to your audience. Talk about that topic for at least 60 seconds or maybe 2 minutes. You don't really have to post any of those videos unless you feel that the message that you shared is really worth enough to be shared with your audience. There will definitely be a day where the video that you recorded for that day is good enough to be shared with your audience, and you post that video onto your YouTube channel. Keep doing that exercise for a number of days and start picking out those videos that you truly are comfortable posting on your YouTube channel. Focus on quantity, not on quality. The more videos you create, the more good ones you will come across, and the more good videos you can post on your YouTube channel. Junk everything else. The more experience you gain, you become very comfortable being on camera. Your mind, in fact, starts working better when you switch on the camera. And the kind of things that you share with your audience will really add value to your business, and they will sign up to your list, they will buy your products, they will engage with you, and you would have created a wonderful tribe for yourself. So I wish you all the success in creating videos for your business. Remember, I am here to support you. Share your experiences in the comment section below the video. Our site is ramgopal.com. You can always make a visit there and watch some more videos and learn some more information about this topic and about how to create good online courses, and let us share our ideas. This is a community that we are trying to build. So please click on the link in the description box below the video to reach my site and learn more about how to create good quality videos and how to create online courses that sell. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please try creating a video in the next few days and tell me how it went. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.